This is Olaolumonokola from Lamp Media Touch. In this short video, I want to show you how you can create your own 3D Easter egg. Let's get it started. So what I will first do is to draw an ellipse. I'll make it perfect by holding down Shift key, my Windows keyboard, then drag and draw. Then go to box here and select the direct selection tool. Then click on one of the nodes, the top node here, then drag the node up. So if you are dragging and is shaking to either side like this, as you are dragging, you hold down Shift to lock the node into position. So as you are dragging, it moves up vertically without moving about. So go back to your selection tool, then reposition the egg and reduce it if you want. So the next thing I'll need to do is to bring in my pattern. So if you already have a pattern designed somewhere, you can bring it in, and if you don't have, you can quickly draft the pattern, or you ensure that the pattern you make covered the whole of this egg, so that you will not face the trouble of resizing whenever you need to wrap your pattern over this egg. So let me bring in my pattern from where I have it. Yes, so this is the pattern I've created somewhere else before. So as you can see, when I move my pattern over this egg, it covers all over the egg. So it means that when I wrap it inside to surely cover it, I will only need a little form of adjustment to let the thing wrap around it properly. So the next thing I'm going to do is to divide the egg into two parts. So how I'm going to do it is you select scissors tool. You can also press C on your Windows key, on your Windows system. So you press this one and ensure you have already selected the egg we draw before. Then you click on the top node and on the bottom node. So you ensure you can zoom in to see if you have clicked the right point, or be sure I've clicked the right point. So with this now, we have divided the egg into two equal halves. So let me remove this left half. Not need it again. Then I work on this right half. So the next thing is to turn this into a 3D form. So you go to Effects, 3D and Materials, then you click on Revolve. So the revolve options on the 3D tool we perform its operation on our parts that we have, and we turn it all around in a 360-degree rotation revolving. So this is what happened here. These are 3D and materials panel. So you see the objects that we have, the object tab, and these are different operations that we can perform on the object. But this is the very one that we're using now, which is revolve, and it has revolved at 360-degree angle. You want some twist, you're not working on that, but on paper. So at your home leisure time, you can try and work on this one, but this one are not really applicable to what we are doing now. Then offset left edge, that's we are trying to create the rotation of the left rotation. So that's how it is. You can rotate the object or as in normal 3D rotation, but you don't need that for now. Let me leave it. So now the next thing is to, how do I now get this pattern into this egg? So go to Materials, material. So these are different materials that can be applied to this egg, but we are not going to use any of this. So we want to put in our own material on it. So you come to graphics. So this is where you put your own graphics. So we already have some patterns already here, but we can simply add our own. You can go into your, if I had saved this as if I had saved my pattern as a JPEG or PNG files, I can simply go here, click on this and import my pattern. But now that I already have it on my document, what I will need to do to add this to this panel is to just drag and drop it inside the panel. So here is it. You can see it changes to add graphics. So once you release your hand, the pattern has been added. So now let me select back my shape, then click on the pattern. Voila. So it has added my pattern to the egg. So as you can see, it covered quickly, but when you check very well underneath here, it still has a little black surface underneath. So what you need to do is just to come down here, then you scale it up a little bit. So if you cover up to that, so it was as 100% before, but now that there's that black area underneath, it means that the pattern doesn't really cover the whole place. So just increase the size and make it a perfect or indefinite value. Let's say 114. So now it works. So that's about it. Now the next thing you can still adjust here is the direction of the lighting after you have added your material. So this direction of the lighting, you can simply come to lighting tab over here. Then what are the things you can adjust? You can adjust the direction of the light by just clicking. You can select a preset here, or if the preset is not giving you the correct thing that you are looking for, you can simply click. You can see this blue circle is showing the direction where the light is coming in, and you can see the effect here on the egg also. So you can see it is the lighting that really shows that this thing is in 3D form, because we have the direction of the light and we also have the shadow part. So you can now simply click and drag the circle so to change the direction of the lighting. See, so you can increase the intensity of the light, reduce it, and this rotation we did here is still the same thing that we have here. So not really needs to, this is coming to that. Let me back to 72. I like it like this. So the height of the light is also affecting the rotation. So you can, when you reduce it, when you increase it, it shows, you can see it's affecting what you did the other time. So the height is the position from the ground. You can see that when you decrease the height, goes up. So the softness of the light, you want it to be harsh or to be soft or to be hard on the material. So those are the settings you need to do. You can create different materials with different lighting, and once you are done, just you can close this one, and your egg is ready. So the only thing now is that when you are trying to move this one, you must be careful while you move so that you will not be rotating the object. So, but once you are satisfied, you must be careful where you move, because anywhere you click here, you might probably be rotating or changing the position of the object. But if you are already satisfied with what you are seeing, what you can just do is to expand, come to object, expand appearance. So once you are expand the appearance, you no longer have access to the 3D and materials effect again. So the object is now a normal object in Adobe Illustrator. So you can now do any other thing you want to do with it. You want to duplicate, you want to rotate, you can do anything. You want to send to the back to arrange, send to back to arrange. You want to make more copies, you want to put them in baskets, you want to add shadow underneath them. So you can do so many things. You want to add a ribbon, you want to add a background. So you can do so many things with this. So that's that, guys. I hope you like this video. I will appreciate it if you can support me, subscribe to this channel, and give me some word of encouragement so that I will be able to give you this kind of tutorial in subsequent time. Thank you very much.